What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Wait, let me get my glasses first. I need to put them on. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Okay, let me put them on. Okay. Here we go, guys. Okay. So, today... Oh, I just stepped on my charger. Oh, no. Okay. How do I turn the camera around? Oh, there we go. Hello, guys. Today what I'm going to be showing you is how you can become buff like me. Okay, so... And you can see I'm absolutely shredded. Look at those triceps. Oh my god. I'll show the left arm. The left arm needs a little bit of work, but you can still see that tricep. Oh my god. I'm absolutely shredded. Okay, so... But you're probably wondering, how does this guy get... Look at those six-pack abs. Absolutely amazing. So you're probably wondering to yourself, how on earth does he get that buff? Like, that's gonna take time, persistence, diligence. Qualities that most people don't have. And you gotta get these glasses, link in the description below. If you want to get these glasses, these will exponentially help your journey to becoming an absolutely shredded monster like me. But, back to the video. How are we gonna get shredded? Now, it's really simple. So, down here, I have what I call this the, I don't know what they call this, hold on. It's hard to hold the camera and wait. But, oh no, it's not focusing. But they call this the Lift Arm Machine Shredmaster 6000, and it's quite a nifty little machine. I mean, it's maybe a little bit too hard to comprehend for you mortal plebs, but for me, I'll try and give my best description, because I am a higher dimensional being and it might be a bit too difficult. Some words are not able to describe this action because it is otherworldly. I mean, you need to be at least a fifth dimensional. You need to have 5-dimensional resonance to understand this, but I'll do my best to dumb it down for you guys. But, so, as you can see, look at those biceps right there. So, what you can do is you're going to pull this thing towards you, okay, like this. Oh, see those muscles there? Yeah, that's what you want to see. So, some people say, oh, you need to do quite a few reps to, get any results. But I say, you're an absolute brain dead Neanderthal. You do not need to do many at all. This is my routine. And look at these results. I just do 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ooh, I can already see the results here. Look at that tricep right there. Okay, so now you just do 3 on the left hand because 3 is the lucky number. Because when I say 3, actually, I get a certain, an intuition feel, like an intuitive feeling. I think it's my intuition. And I just feel like it just sends a tingle down my throat. So that means it's the lucky number. It'll work for you too, so. Do 3, 1, 2, and 3. There you go. Now, you want to keep this in your memory of times. Now, you only have to do 3. Now, 3 is what you want. And that's all you need. And if you do 3, I guarantee you'll look shredded as this. Just look at this. Like, this is the definition of definition. Look at that. And although I am shredded, you need the glasses to go along with it, like I said earlier. Because if you don't have the glasses, you're just going to be like everyone else. Every other shredded, 5th-dimensional creature. In order to increase your vibrational frequency to the 8th dimension, which is getting close to the top level, because the top level is the 12th dimension, or 11th to 12th dimension, they're entwined in space-time, but actually they're above space-time, they're above space and time, what am I saying? But if you get to the 11th, in order to get to the 11th and 12th density, dimension, vibrational frequency, you need to have these glasses. Now, it's going to take a little bit of diligence to get there, but you'll get there in the end. Just look at these results, just look at that. That is definition. Look at that. Look at that definition. And my legs are pretty buff as well. But, so you get to That's how you get the results that you want to see.